Hello everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today is the 4th of November. In a few weeks I'm going to race in Spain, in Madrid, and I'm already getting ready. Also today it's an important day because I'm going to race for the last rally of the Małopolska Liga Rajdowa, where I'm fighting for the championship. You already know the outcome. I'm still keeping my finger crossed because it's an important rally and let's see how it's going to be. By the way, about Spain, I'm not going to be alone because as you saw, Tech 2000 is supporting my RC rally season and they are also supporting this trip to Spain. Tech 2000 is a company that produces engine additives for cars, and I'm going to leave the link of their website in the description. But that's not all, because Tech 2000, for this special occasion, for my last rally and for this trip to Spain, provided me a new body, the new Toyota Yaris VRC, and we are going to make something special because with the support of Tech 2000, we are going to have a special graphic, a special design for this body that I'm going to show you in a brief moment. That's not all. In this trip to Spain, I'm not alone because we have my teammate and friend Jakub. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Do you like
Hello
it?
Again. Yes, I like it a lot.
How do you feel?
Subscribe to Dario.
And
right
leave
now.
a like.
And leave a like.
Jakub, we are going to Spain to race with other people that have our same passion. How you feel about that?
It's something out of my mind. I never dreamed of going to Spain to play with cars. It's amazing, and we are very happy that we are doing it together and also with Tech 2000. So that's a good company that they support our passion. So
we are really thankful to Tech 2000, and it's nice that in general companies invest some of their money in order to fuel the passion of let's say of normal people, because we just play in this hobby and it's so cool to have a partnership with them.
Exactly. As you know, I used to race many years ago, and having a company which helped you, supported you, give you some cash to buy some things for car, it was impossible. But now world has changed. It's much easier to obtain a sponsor, and it's cool that companies see such things as an opportunity to advertise themselves. So that's great.
About talking about this trip to Spain, it happened just talking on Instagram with one of you, and they randomly asked to this person if they play in Madrid and if they have a championship. I saw their last rally that is going to be this November at the end, and I said, okay, here in Poland it's going to be a bit cold. In Madrid it's going to be hotter. The guys organized a nice rally. I contacted Jakub and
he asked me, do you want to go to Spain? Why not? And that's how it is.
We are going to Spain to play with cars. Perfect. So me and Jakub used to play as teammates not only during the RC rally but also in the other things that we do, let's say outside of the events. I used to push myself on the social media. I used to talk about the rallies and all these stuffs. Meanwhile, Jakub used to arrange the new body that Tech 2000 provided for us. It's a special body. Jakub, can you tell us what I mean when I say special body?
So I was in charge of making the body shells for the Spain rally. So it's kind of special one because you saw the first version. As Dario told you before, we got new body shells. This is the first one that we used through the whole season, and this is the new Toyota Yaris. Come on, take a look at this. It's wonderful. So it is fully wrapped. This one was painted. What else can I say about it? It's lovely.
How you wrap this body? But because I'm the first time seeing this body and it seems like it is just one big sticker.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the real car wrap. So you just need to order it in the special company which makes something like this, and you simply need to place it around the car. I say simply, but it's kind of tricky because the Tamiya body shells, for example, in those places with arches are very difficult to wrap, so you can get some air pockets, but this wrap is especially made for difficult surfaces, so it was much easier to wrap the RC body around, and I think the outcome is outstanding.
Yeah, of course, this kind of wrapping, it's an experiment. Maybe some of you already have some doubts that it can get scratched, but let's say that this is very high quality wrap. As Jakub told, it's the one that is used in real cars. And let's say this is a special body for my last rally of this season and for our trip to Spain. So thank you again, Tech 2000. And now we're going to get ready for the last rally of the season. So today is 19th of November. In a few days I'm going to race in Madrid. I'm quite excited, but I'm also starting to feel a bit of pressure, but in a positive way. Right now I'm doing a complete maintenance of my model. I'm changing the oil in the shocks, in the differentials. I'm checking all the bearings in order to see if they're working properly and change the ones that are, let's say, worn out. And what else? I'm going to put new tires for this occasion in order to, let's say, maximize the performances in the best possible way. But the main goal of this trip is to have also fun, of course. Other than that, today I've met with Jakub. We planned our trip, what to see in Madrid, what to eat, the tools that we are going to take, and things like that. And we also started to talk about the 2024 season. There are going to be some changes, but I'm not going to do any spoiler right now. It's too early. Okay, so I don't know. In the next clip, maybe we are going to be already on the airplane or somewhere else. So let's see. Okay, today is the 22nd of November. In 2 days we are leaving, and I'm at Jakub's place in his office where the magic happens. And we met to organize everything, the luggage, and to talk about what to do, what to visit in Madrid. Do you want to add something about the body that you're preparing?
Yeah, so there is still some things to finish. So as you can see, the bumper is not fully wrapped. But almost car is ready. Still need to work on the setup to make it work flawlessly during the race. And here is the foil which I used to wrap the car. So as you can see, almost everything is used. So job pretty much done. So great.
2 days before the departure, how are you feeling?
I feel confident. I think it will be okay. But
a bit excited?
Yes, I am totally excited, but I am a little bit ill, so hopefully until Friday I will be better.
Yeah, let's keep our finger crossed, and let's see. Okay, we can meet on the airport?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are here with the Dario. Tell us something.
We are at the airport, 2 hours to the flight. Everything is going smooth and as planned. And Madrid, we are coming. Good morning from Madrid.
Hi.
We just had the breakfast in this very nice place that is located in this very nice square. Jakub, are you enjoying this city?
Yeah, the city is lovely. We had a wonderful evening and looking forward to tomorrow's race.
Yeah, we would like to thank the people that contacted us on my Instagram, suggesting places where to go, what to visit, and what to eat. Because honestly, this changed completely our trip. Because in such big city, it's a bit hard to find the authentic places that are not tourist traps. So thank you a lot again. We are ready for tomorrow. I think that we can end in this way this video that in which we shared our journey to get ready to this rally. And see you next week with a new video. Remember to subscribe and leave a like to support my channel. And wish us good luck for this rally in Madrid.
Ciao.